Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy premium in the Instasize app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Instasize app. On the top left corner, open the menu on these three bars, and here you can see Instasize Premium. Tap on Start Free a 3-day trial. Then if you scroll down below the payment, you have to tap on this bar and you have to add credit or debit card. You have to insert here your card number. Then if you scroll down, you have to tap on subscribe. And after you tapped on subscribe, then you get Instasize Premium. So that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.